Hey, Dr. D here. Thanks for watching this short video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 exercises that you can do from home on the floor to improve your posture. Now, we live in a world where we're constantly looking down, looking forward, and over time, then that can lead to bad posture. You probably see it yourself at your office or other people around you. At the end of the day, you're going to end up like this under the desk or like this in this position where you're constantly looking down, your shoulders are rolled forward, your arms are in a position of internal rotation, and that's going to put a lot of stress on your upper back, mid back, even the neck area, and that's where people tend to have a lot of stress, and also that can cause tension headaches. So what you do is you want to make sure you strengthen everything in the back so that you can continue to stand up in a straight posture and prevent that from happening in the first place. And you can do these exercises every single day. It only takes you 5 minutes tops to do. So the first exercise I'm going to show you is an exercise where you get on your back, and what you're going to do is you're going to be working the muscles of the mid back and upper back area. And the way the exercise works is that you're going to be laying down on your back. You're going to have your elbows in this position or your arms in this position, and what you're going to do is you're going to push down against the ground, and that's going to lift you up. And in the same process, what you're doing is you're pulling the shoulder blades closer to each other, contracting the muscles in between the shoulder blades. Now, if doing this on the floor is too difficult for you, what you can do is you can get up against the wall and then push your elbows back. And as you get stronger, as that gets too easy for you, then you can progress on the floor. Now for the second exercise, you're going to be on your stomach. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be lifting everything in the back. Every muscle in the back is going to be contracting. So the way you start this is that first you're going to be on your stomach. What you're going to do first is you're going to pinch your shoulder blades closer to each other. Then you're going to stick your chest out. Then what you're going to do is rotate your arms externally in this position. Then lift your lower back so your legs are up in the air, and you want to hold that position for about 5 seconds. If that's too easy for you, then you can do the advanced version where you're moving your arms up and down in this position while at the same time you're holding everything into extension, moving everything backwards. So that exercise is a little bit more advanced, but that one is going to hit everything from the neck all the way down to your low back area and even the glutes. There you have it, guys. 2 exercises you can start doing today from the convenience of your home. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And if you want to learn how to improve your posture from home and follow a program that teaches you how to do that step by step, I'm going to leave a link right below this video where you can check that out. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.